Kumusta ka? Welcome to my channel, Charissa and Kunanan Home Cooking. Are you ready to learn new recipe? As easy as frying egg and bacon, a hearty meal and a plating to make it more special. Learn to bake cookies and yummy cakes. Let's cook and bake with a happy heart. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Smile is free! Tara, simulan na natin!
Here's the ingredients that we will be using in making a shrimp pasta. We need 5 pieces of shrimp. Peel it, remove, and here's the head. We will use it later also. 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, 1 tomato, a portion of kangkong leaves, 2 cups of pasta, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of basil, salt to taste, and lemon. Let's begin! In our pan, let's put the butter. Let's add the garlic. Smells so good. Let's put the onions. Let's saute everything. Let's put the head of the shrimp. Later we will remove that. We just need to extract the taste of the juice of the shrimp. Next, let's put our tomato together with our peanut butter. Let's put our shrimp. Our kangkong leaves. And let's separate the head and remove it. This smell is so really good. You should really try this one. Let's put our pasta. Our oyster sauce. And our pepper. Let's also put a 1/4 cup of water. And then let's mix. The smell is really so yummy. Let's put the basil and the salt. Let's mix it. And let's cook it for about 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, let's taste. Just right. So optional if you want to put the lemon here, or some people doesn't like it, so you will just put it beside the plating. Okay, so let's plate it. And here's our shrimp pasta. Hope you like my cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!